Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Talks, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Charlie. Hello, Jennifer. Hello, everyone. It's so good to be here again for another real English conversation.
Yes, and today we have a really fun topic vacations. Who doesn't love talking about vacations?
Exactly. Vacations are something everyone enjoys, and they're also a great way to practice English conversation. So, today, we'll show you how to talk about vacations in simple, natural English.
So, Charlie, when was your last vacation?
My last vacation was last summer. I went to the beach with my family. It was amazing. The weather was sunny, and we spent a lot of time swimming and relaxing.
That sounds wonderful. I love the beach. I like walking on the sand and listening to the sound of the waves.
Yes, me too. The beach is my happy place. How about you, Jennifer? Where did you go for your last vacation?
I went to the mountains. It was quiet, fresh, and beautiful. I enjoyed hiking, taking photos, and drinking coffee while watching the sunrise.
Wow, that sounds peaceful.
It was. Vacations like that help me relax and clear my mind.
Let's teach our listeners some useful English words for talking about vacations.
Good idea. Here are a few: beach, a place with sand and sea; mountain, a high area of land, great for hiking; travel, to go from one place to another; relax, to rest and feel calm; hotel, a place where you stay when you travel; luggage or suitcase, the bag you take on a trip; flight, when you travel by airplane.
Let's use those words in simple sentences. I love to relax at the beach. My flight was very long. We stayed in a big hotel. I packed my suitcase last night.
Great examples. Simple, clear, and useful for daily English conversation practice. Now, let's practice how to ask and answer questions about vacations.
R. 8. So, here are some common questions you can use. Where did you go on vacation? Who did you go with? How long did you stay? What did you do there? Did you enjoy it? What was your favorite part?
And here are some easy answers. I went to Paris with my friends. We stayed for 1 week. We visited museums and tried new food. Yes, I loved it. My favorite part was the food and the music.
That's perfect. Remember, when you practice English, use full sentences. It helps you sound more fluent and confident.
Let's do a short sample conversation. You can listen and repeat after us.
Okay, let's go.
Charlie, where did you go on vacation last year?
I went to Thailand.
Wow. How long did you stay there?
I stayed for 5 days.
Who did you go with, and
I went with my best friend.
what did you do in Thailand?
We went to the beach, tried local food, and visited a temple. It was a great experience.
That sounds amazing. Would you like to go again?
Absolutely. I want to go again next year.
Nice.
Here are some useful English phrases you can use when you talk about vacations. I went on a trip to. I traveled by plane, train, and bus. The weather was perfect. I stayed at a beautiful hotel. The food was delicious. I had so much fun. It was the best vacation ever.
Try using these phrases when you talk about your next trip or when you practice English with a friend.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn. We'll ask you some questions. Take a few seconds after each one to answer out loud. Ready? Let's go. Where did you go on your last vacation? Who did you go with? What did you do there? Did you like the food? Would you like to go again?
Good job. Remember, speaking out loud helps you train your mouth and brain to think in English.
Jennifer, if you could go anywhere in the world for your next vacation, where would you go?
I think I'd love to go to Japan. I want to see cherry blossoms and try real sushi.
That sounds great. I'd love to visit Italy for the pizza and the history.
Good choice. Everyone watching, what about you? Tell us in the comments, where would you like to go on your dream vacation? Okay, everyone, that's all for today's episode. Let's talk about vacations.
We hope you enjoyed this real English conversation and learned new vocabulary and phrases.
If you liked this lesson, please hit the like button, subscribe to Daily English Talks, and share this video with your friends who are learning English.
And don't forget to practice speaking every day. The more you practice, the more confident you become.
Exactly. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode.